so happy you popped by. I was in the middle of curling my hair, and I want to show you exactly how I curl my hair, and I have a life-changing trick that is so simple but is going to change your life if you wear extensions. Okay, so there's a misconception that you should be curling your hair separately versus your extension hair. Do not do that, okay? When you're curling your hair, you want to grab your natural hair along with your extension rows, especially when you get to the top. So underneath here, I'm working my nape hair sectioning right into that bottom row. That's going to make the curl uniform. It's gonna connect everything. And I wanna show you again how to do that on the top. So when you're curling this top row especially, you're going to want to take part of your natural hair above the row, and you're going to add that to the section you're taking from your row. This is going to connect this curl, make it look cohesive all the way down. If you were to curl just this, your natural hair, especially if it's shorter, then curl this, it's gonna be disconnected and you're gonna be able to tell what is extensions. So combining this top row with your natural hair is the secret to curling extensions. I like to let my curls cool before I touch them or do anything. Then I'll go in with the Goldilocks Flexible Hold Hairspray. Let that sit. Now remember from my other video, what kind of brush am I gonna use? I'm going to use this brush because it won't stretch my curls out. Something that has a little bit thicker bristle placement along with a metal bristle is going to really just brush through the curls without stretching them out.